Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. He loans me these radios so I can show them to you. And this is an Arrow. Yep, that's the name of it. It's right there, Arrow Model TV-925W. And it's about 1968 vintage, and it has AM, FM, TV1, TV2, and the weather band. Now, back in 1968, the TV broadcasts were on VHF frequencies, and you could receive the audio via a radio like this that tuned to VHF, which it's no longer true. You can't do that anymore. And I remember as a kid living at home, when I wanted to watch TV at late night or whatever, well, the TV was in the living room, and my parents' bedroom was just off of the living room. So I had to keep the TV low or the sound off. And I got me one of these, not this particular model, but one like it. And then I could listen to the audio via it and have it up close to me, and then I could hear it and not bother them. Pretty cool, but unfortunately, TV land went to the upper bands and no longer are on VHF. So this used to tune channels 2 through 13. Pretty cool. The other thing Jeff does, which really amazes me, is he reuses these pouches and stuff. This is the one that he uses for this radio. Pretty neat little pouch. Kind of soft but rigid. Carrying strap, zipper. Radio fits in there perfect. So let's get to the radio. Okay, let me show you up close the bands. AM on top, FM, TV1, TV2, and weather band. Over here we have the tuning knob and the on-off volume knob. Got a little gunk on here where there was a label or something. I'm surprised Jeff hasn't taken that off. This is, I think, a power jack. It's not marked. And in here is the earbud jack, and it's marked. And then down here is where the 9-volt battery goes. There is the band selector. And the antenna is about 15 inches. And very unusual, I can carefully, there we go. It swivels. Pretty cool. Don't see that much on this vintage radio in this type of radio. So let's turn it on. Let's see. One of these turns it on. There, it's on. There's the weather band. Got to retune it a little bit. Tuning is really touchy. Yeah, I lost it. A lot of interference in my room from computers and routers and all that stuff. I had it there pretty strong for a while. Really touchy. There it is. Just past it. Right there. There. Still not quite on.
For the following marine location, coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 4:01.
Okay. The TV1, TV2, I'm not going to get anything on that. Let's go up to the AM band. So I'll switch it back here to AM. Now the station's coming in strong. Now we're on AM. I'm near the beginning of the band. Let's turn it all the way to the beginning of the band. Oop. Yeah, there's that RF noise from my electronics in my office.
partner of the American Lung
Directional, of
Association.
course.
One thing I like about IDC is we're very transparent.
He wants to receive that way.
There's nothing to hide. No pricing games, no tricks, no old school ridiculous margin.
We look at overall volume. We're not looking at trying to make this huge profit.
It's all about
Let me see if I can move it over this way so you can still see it.
Coming here at IDC.
Get said about that, especially in St. Petersburg. Real crime problem this year, and
Pretty good audio.
murders are up, and shootings are in America.
It's picking up quite a few stations. Again, struggling in my office here. Oh, music, we don't want that. Okay, let's try the FM band. It's the middle one. Yep, music. Let's get off of that.
free gift set.
Oh yeah,
$50 on your
FM. The FM works good.
Phoenix.edu. Life is already full of surprises.
Whoa. Yep, it worked good on FM. Gotta get past all that music.
Intensive care for a prolonged
There we go.
period of time. PTSD afterwards, post-traumatic stress disorder, at rates
Plenty of
that are
volume.
comparable to those suffered
Works
by
good.
soldiers who
Pretty
fought
good
in
shape. I just there was a decal there it needs to clean off, and Jeff usually does a very good job of that. He probably just hadn't gotten to it.
Constantly.
Okay, that's about it. Very unusual. And it actually says TV channel there. I don't know why it says that there. Let me show you up close again, the display, the dial, tuning dial. It's a really touchy to tune. It's smooth, but it's really touchy. Carrying strap, unfortunately plastic, but in good shape. Overall, the radio is in good shape. Very good shape. Let me put this antenna down before I break it off. There we go. And let me just show you real quick how it fits in this pouch. Get the strap down. So it fits right in there, nice and smooth and snug in there. Close it up. Perfect. And zip it up. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows you enjoy, not wasting your time. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would. Check out my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in each of the descriptions. And I get a small commission if you use my store. Have a great day. Bye-bye.